Guys, thank you for clicking on this video. If you are looking for DevOps training, you can ping me on WhatsApp and don't miss this video. Watch this video until the end. This will be very helpful and totally real-time mock interview. So this is the DevOps mock interview day 98. We already completed 97 mock interviews and we are trying to complete 100 mock interviews. Just like this video so that we will complete as soon as possible. You can check out all remaining mock interviews. Go to my playlist section. There you can find multiple playlists in of different DevOps tools. There you can find DevOps interview question and answers. And one more thing, right, on 17th March I'm starting a new batch on DevOps. So if you are looking for training, definitely you can able to enroll. So what are the tools we are going to cover? I will just open the DevOps tools workflow. Okay, I will start from Git. Then after I will go to Jenkins. Okay, once Jenkins is completed, I will go to Terraform. Then after Ansible. Okay, everything will be done via AWS Cloud. So AWS some services will be covered, Docker, Kubernetes, and real-time projects. So when this will be starting, so you can ping me on WhatsApp or you can directly call to this mobile number. Don't miss this opportunity. Right now there is some holy offer is going on with discounted price. So join with the discounted price. So it is from 17th March. So if you say Git 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will start from Git, right? Git will start from 17th March, right? Class 1, it will be 7 a.m. IST, nothing but Indian time. So I will zoom it. Okay, can you able to see? Okay, see if you see 17th March from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. daily 1 hour and it will be Indian Standard Time. Okay, so 17th March it will start. By 26th March, Git will be completed. Like that on every tool. Jenkins will start from 27th March. It will end at 1st April. Okay. After Jenkins, we will start 2nd April, 9th April, 10th April, 16th April. So Monday to Friday, you will be having classes. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days you will be having classes. Saturday and Sunday, you will be having a holiday. And during the Saturday and Sunday, we will be having mocks on whatever we have discussed on 5 days. Nothing but I will take a interview on whatever we have discussed. For the first week, you will not have any mock. Okay. Once the Git is completed, right? Then after you will be having a mocks. Okay. So this is about the calendar. Now people will join the mock interview. Let us wait. Once they will join, we can continue. And please like this video, right? Your like will motivate us to continue. Yeah, hi Arun. Thank you for joining.
Hi Pawan, good evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening. Please, I just don't want to waste the time. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, first of all, thank you for this opportunity. It's great to be here. My name is Arun. I have over 5 years of experience as a DevOps engineer, and my responsibilities includes building robust CI/CD pipelines using tools like Jenkins, Git, and Argo CD. Along with, I have extensive experience in containerization and orchestration with the Docker and Kubernetes. Additionally, I utilize Terraform for infrastructure as a code and Ansible for configuration management. I am also skilled in monitoring and observability with Prometheus and Grafana, which help ensuring the system reliability and its performance. Over these years, I have also worked on a range of AWS services from compute, storage, database, networking, and security, etc. So that covers my experience. I'm really excited about the opportunity to bring my expertise to your team and drive continuous improvement in development and operations. Thank you once again.
Yeah, thank you so much, Arun. And I will try my part as well. I will try to introduce myself. If you have any feedback, please let me know. Hello, and thank you for having me today. I have over 7 years of experience in the IT industry with a strong foundation in Linux administration, cloud engineering, and DevOps practices. I started my career as a Linux administrator where I developed a strong understanding of automation, and like operating system of Linux. Then after, from the past 5 years, I've specialized in DevOps, focusing on tools and practices. My expertise includes version control with Git, continuous integration and delivery with Jenkins, containerization with Docker, and orchestration with Kubernetes. Additionally, I have extensive experience with the infrastructure as a code using Terraform and configuration management with Ansible. On the cloud, I am proficient in AWS services, including EC2, S3, VPC, and IAM, which has allowed me to design and manage scalable, secure cloud architectures effectively. I am excited to bring this experience to your team and contribute to the success of the project. And thank you for having me today. I'm done. Yeah, Lakshman, if you want to introduce, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi Pawan. Hi Arun. So thank you so much giving the opportunity. Hello everyone, and I am Lakshman Rao. I am excited to hear today. I have 5.5 year of experience in IT industries and 4.6 year experience in the Azure DevOps. So basically, I have worked on the various DevOps tool like Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, and Terraform, and Azure DevOps CI/CD pipeline. Apart from, I have worked on the Azure cloud also, and my core skill including designing and implementing CI/CD pipeline using Azure DevOps. And for the containerizing, we have worked on the Docker, and for the orchestration, I have worked on the Kubernetes also. And I am also well versed in the infrastructure automation using the Terraform. So there I have created the infrastructure through the Terraform tools. And for the monitoring and observability, I have worked extensively with the Grafana, Prometheus, Loki, and Azure Monitor and Azure Insight also, enabling me to ensure system reliability and performance as well. And I'm passionate about the streamlining development and workflow and improving infrastructure efficiency. And I'm working forward to learning more about this opportunity. Thank you. This is brief about myself.
Okay, Arun, do you want to give a feedback to Lakshman?
Yeah, the introduction part is good in terms of sharing the experience, and he covered all the tools. But the area of improvement would be he should give pause between one tool to another so that the other person can understand better. So more of like reading it is. So like a conversation, it should be right. That's what I feel.
Super, Arun, your feedback was good. Lakshman, right, your communication is not at all good. The way of, right, words which you are pronouncing, I am also good. I am also, you are repeating some words, right? The grammatical, there are too many grammatical mistakes in your introduction part. I have already provided you the script. Still, you are trying, right, to add your own words. It will not going to help.
Yes,
Okay,
sure, Pawan.
and
I'm
whatever the Arun mentioned, the same thing. It is like reading something.
okay.
Yeah, you need to improve a lot. Okay, so without further wasting, let's start the mock interview. I will share my screen. Okay, so the first question will be, you committed a change but forget to include a file. How do you fix this? So today major focus will be on the Git and Jenkins. So you committed a change but forget to include a file. How do you fix this?
We should move the head to the previous commit using one
Git
of the
command we
command.
will use on this and file name.
Okay, I will move to the next question. You accidentally committed credentials to Git. So how do you remove it from, sorry, how do you remove it from history? So you accidentally committed credentials to Git. How do you remove it?
By by adding that file to dot git ignore.
You already committed credentials to Git by adding
Okay,
in the Git ignore, right, what you will get. It is already committed.
got it.
So now I want to remove it. So you need to delete a branch locally and remotely. How do you do it? You need to delete a branch locally and remotely. How do you do it? A teammate force push to main, overwriting your commits. So how do you recover your work? A teammate pushed some changes to main branch, right? Overwriting your commits. Whatever the commits you have written, yeah, replaced with his content, right? How do you recover your work?
Sorry, don't know again, sir.
So you want to undo a merge commit, but keep the changes. How do you do it? You need to find which commit introduced a bug. What's the best approach? You need to find which commit introduced a bug. What's the best approach? Your branch is behind main and you want to update it without merge conflicts. How? Your branch is behind main and you want to update it without merge conflict.
Using rebase command will do the merging.
Super. Yes.
Using git rebase
Yeah.
will merge one branch content to the other.
You need to clone a specific branch of a large repository. How? You need to clone a specific branch.
Git cherry pick will use for the clone specific.
What is the use of git cherry pick?
Will get. I thought it's cherry pick will pick some particular branch and will commit that.
No. So try to find it out. What is cherry pick? So you want to see who changed a specific line of a file. What command do you use? You want to see who changed a specific line of a file. What command do you use? You made multiple commits but want to combine them into one before pushing. How? You made multiple commits but want to combine them into one commit before pushing. How? Final 5 questions for today. A Jenkins job fails due to missing dependency. How do you debug this? A Jenkins job fails due to missing dependency. How do you debug
So
this?
check the console output to identify where exactly it failed, uh, and then based on that we fix that dependency in pipeline script and rerun the job.
Super. Your Jenkins job is running slower than expected, right? How do you optimize it? Normally Jenkins job was running very slow, but you need to optimize it. It should run fast. Normally it will run fast itself, but now it is going with slow, right? How do you optimize it? Nothing but how you will going to make it fast. So your Jenkins job is running slower than expected. How do you optimize it? So you need to trigger a Jenkins job from GitHub automatically. How do you do it?
Use the hook. So
Yeah.
the Jenkins will be notified when there is a change happen in source
Okay.
code management.
In Jenkins, which trigger you will use?
Polysium.
Arun?
Just above that, it is I forget the name of it.
GitHub webhook trigger. GitHub web trigger something there.
Yes, absolutely. It's just above the
Okay, your Jenkins build fails due to workspace issue. How do you fix this? So you need to deploy an application automatically after a successful Jenkins build. How do you do it?
use Argo CD or some CD tool.
Shall we check the answers?
Yes.
So you committed a change but forget to include a file. How do you fix this? So stage the missing file and amend the commit. So git add file name, the file will be added. Git commit -fn amend, no edit. So you committed a change but forget to include a file. So how do you fix this? Okay,
So this will add the file to the previous commit, not without creating new commit, right?
yes.
Okay.
So if already pushed, git push origin branch -fn force. Then whatever the latest you have, right, forcefully it will be updated. Getting? So you accidentally committed credentials to Git. How do you remove it from history? So remove the file and rewrite history. So for that you need to git filter branch -fn force. Okay, -fn index filter and git rm cache ignore unmatch and the file name and -fn prune, right, empty and the tag name filter cat, like this you need to give. It will be removed. Then after you need to push it forcefully. Automatically in the remote branch also it will be removed. So best practices which you have mentioned, right, Arun, you need to use .git ignore
Yes.
to prevent sensitive files from being committed. So you need to delete a branch locally and remotely. Git branch -d branch name. Yes. So if you want to force delete, git branch -D branch. Delete remotely, git push origin -f delete branch name. Git branch -d branch name. Try to remember this command. A teammate force
Sure.
push to main overwriting your commit. So how do you recover your work? So find lost commits using git reflog, right? Restore to a safe state, git reset ffn hard, give the commit hash. Then after push git push origin main ffn force. Nothing but what I am doing, git reflog, it will show the commit history, yes or no? So then what I will do, I will reset it. Git reset ffn hard, I will give the commit hash. So it will go back to a particular commit. Yes or no? Whatever the commit I want, it will be get back. Thereafter I will push the changes again to the right main branch. So whatever the friend committed, right, teammate, it will be removed and my code will be updated. So you want to undo a merge. You want to undo a merge commit but keep the changes. So reset while keeping changes staged. So git reset after from start soft. What it will do, it will remove the changes and the changes will be present in your staging area, and you need to give the head and the commit number. Head and the commit number. If you use hard, it will be removed. So you need to find which commit introduced a bug. So git bisect start. So use git bisect to find faulty commit. Git bisect soft. So mark current commit as bad and mark last known good commit. Git bisect good and the commit hash. So git will guide you through checking commits until the faulty one is found. So whenever you execute, right, it will automatically will find it and it will guide you. Your branch is behind main and you want to update it without merge conflicts. So go to that particular branch, git checkout, use rebase to keep a clean history. So git fetch, yes. So your branch is behind main and you want to update it without merge conflicts. So if I don't want to have a merge conflict, what I will do, I will use git fetch. So git fetch origin element, whatever the changes are present in my main branch, it will come to me locally. So if conflicts occur, git rebase -f continue. You need to clone a specific branch. Git clone -branch name, -single branch and the URL, repo URL. So you want to see who changed a specific line of a file, right? What command do you use? You can use git blame file name. Git blame file name. This shows the commit, author and timestamp for each line. You made multiple commits but want to combine them into one. Here we will use swash. So interact to rebase head and the number of commit. Mark all but first commit as swash, then edit the commit messages. So commit to Jenkins. A Jenkins job fails due to a missing dependency. How do you debug this? Check logs in build console output. Ensure the dependency is installed using clean install. Use a Jenkins agent with required dependencies. So your Jenkins job is running slower than expected, right? Enable parallel execution, right? Distribute build across multiple Jenkins nodes. So if you have multiple nodes, then automatically, right, load will be less, right? Then job will run fast. You need to trigger a Jenkins job from GitHub automatically. So you enable webhook in GitHub. So in the build trigger, GitHub hook trigger. Yes. You need to use GitHub hook trigger. Your Jenkins build fails due to workspace issues. How do you fix it? So clean the workspace before each build. So we are doing right in today's morning class.
Yes.
First we are cleaning the workspace, then after we are going. So it is a best practice. Anyone looking for training, don't forget. Yes, next week we are starting a new batch. Just ping me in WhatsApp to know the details. So you need to deploy an application automatically after a successful Jenkins build. So as you mentioned, you can use whatever you deployment tool, but we have a post build action. So this is the, if you want to deploy using a shell script in the pipeline stages, right, using SCP. If you want to copy it, right, we can able to copy. This is the older approach. Right now what we are doing, we are converting into a containerized application. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is a summary. Undo last commit but keep changes. Git reset. Find a bugs, git bisect. Remove sensitive data, git filter branch. Slow builds, parallel execution. Automatic deployment, post build action or pipelines, GitHub triggers, webhooks. Okay.
So parallel execution is the execution while creating the job. We will enter how many concurrent jobs can run, right, in a node 2, 3. We set like that.
Sorry.
The parallel execution, so that we actually set in the node as a number of executions, right?
Parallel means run parallelly. What are the stages you have mentioned? Right, there will be a parallel. If you
In
want to
yesterday's
create,
class, we actually
Multi-stage
made the
pipeline.
executors a zero, which ended in not
execution
running
is
the given
different.
job. Okay,
Yeah, running the pipeline job in parallel is different.
okay, understood.
Okay, that's it for today. I will stop the recording.